That you were able to draw, other than him being a paper delivery man, Mr. Adams, was that there was an affair between he and Margaret Atherton?
That's what Mr. Adams claimed, and I wholeheartedly do not believe that whatsoever.
But you didn't say that to the grand jury, did you?
I just testified to the grand jury what he confessed to. He confessed to killing her, but he indicated that it was an accident and that there was an affair, which, again, in my opinion, the investigation has not shown whatsoever.
Well, that statement to the grand jury was something other than his statement.
If you point out my statement, I would go ahead and take a look at it.
Page 17, grand jury.
Objection, Judge. Hearsay.
Asking.
What I'm testifying to the grand jury is that the connection, the nexus that he has to the Atherton residence is that he was the paper delivery person.
And it says,
And Judge, there's been no exhibit entered for what is shown in witness.
I would be offering this as group 3.
And Judge, I do believe I need to see it before you approach the witness.
In fact, you were so focused on Mr. Adams that at 12:34 a.m. on the 12th of September, you put out a warrant for him. Is that correct?
We followed where the evidence took us.
It wasn't my question, Lieutenant. Did you or did you not put out a warrant for him?
We put out an arrest warrant, was obtained at 11:30, I believe, that night from the Lee County Judge, Judge Jacobson, for the charge of possession of a stolen motor vehicle.
Okay, 11:30.
That's when I obtained the warrant, somewhere in that vicinity.
Okay.
So then, yes, it gets entered into LEAD, which is a nationwide warrant check system. We then disseminated, or I then had a broadcast disseminated throughout the state of Illinois looking for this white Pontiac Grand Am, H204970. And I indicated in the teletype that it was wanted in connection for homicide and that there was an arrest warrant for Mr. Adams for the charge of possession of a stolen vehicle because we wanted him off the streets.
But by so doing, you had focused your investigation on Mr. Adams. Is that correct?
We followed where the evidence took us, sir.
In regards to securing a suspect in the murder of Margaret Atherton, isn't it true, Lieutenant Whelan, that the investigation goes where the evidence leads you?
Absolutely.
And in fact, isn't it true that the evidence led you to a person by the name of Byron Adams who's seated right here at council table?
That is quite true.
And isn't it true that that was developed through photograph surveillance,
Yes, that was through the video surveillance.
positively identified by Cassandra Blankenship? Sandra Blankenship?
Correct.
And in addition, isn't it true that you put out that warrant to locate that vehicle that was seen through the video surveillance?
Correct.
And that vehicle was located in Chicago, Illinois?
2 days later, day and a half later, yes.
And in addition, that the defendant was found in that vehicle
Yes, sir, he was.
and found with the clothing of the raiders?
Yes,
And
correct.
that was the same clothing of the person who was in the Walmart?
Correct. As well as the defendant admitted it.
Nothing further.